Hello students, again welcome to maths class. Here we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 6.2 chapter triangles. Part 1 was already done, part number 2. Now we have to draw the figure ourselves because figure for this question is not given. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR of a triangle. E and F. We have to join these 2 points and PE is 4 centimeter, QE is 4.5 centimeter, PF is 8 centimeter and RF is 9 centimeter. On the basis of these given sides, you have to prove whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Students, we know that if a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side of the triangle. Now we can find ratio. So in triangle PQR, here first part of side PQ is PE. PE by EQ. That will be 4 by 4.5 or you can say 40 by 45. Do the calculations correctly and it will be 8 by 9. Now find the ratio of PF by FR. It will be 8 by 9. Here we observe, देखो both the ratios are same, but in first part these two ratios were not same. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR and the value is 8 by 9. So by converse of BPT, you have to write why we are saying converse of BPT. We get EF पैरेलल टू QR बिकॉज EF ने जो है आपकी ट्राइंगल की टू साइड्स को सेम रेशो में डिवाइड किया है, तो दैट इज वाई EF इज पैरेलल टू QR. नाउ पार्ट नंबर 3, अगेन वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द फिगर ourselves. PQ. Now PQ is given. PQ means this complete length is given. PQ is 1.28 centimeter. PR, again this one length, is 2.56 centimeter. And PE is 0.18 centimeter. And PF is 0.36 centimeter. Now students, you can see हमें complete length and part given है. देखो PQ साइड में भी अपर पार्ट गिवन है एंड PQ कंप्लीट गिवन है एंड PF PR में भी PF मीन्स अपर पार्ट गिवन है एंड कंप्लीट लेंथ गिवन है. अब इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत तरीके से एग्जाम में दिया जा सकता है बेटा. सपोज इस साइड पर आपको PE दिया है एंड सेकेंड साइड के लिए वो FR दे देते, तो हम डायरेक्ट रेशो को अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज इस साइड में अपर पार्ट गिवन होता और इसमें लोअर, तो हमें सेम पार्ट्स को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड. बट यहाँ पर अभी कुछ भी फाइंड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो इन ट्राइंगल PQR यू विल फाइंड द रेशो ओनली. PE बाय PQ कंप्लीट लेंथ को हम ले सकते हैं. इट वॉज टोल्ड टू यू 0.18 by 1.28. Solve it. And one more simplest trick, when there is decimal after, if there are equal places after the decimal in both of the numbers, then you can remove the decimal directly, or if we are not removing, then you can see both will have 100 in their denominators and it will be cancelled. Now you can convert this given number to its lowest form. What will be its value? it will be 9/64। 2 के टेबल से आप इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हो। एंड PF/FR, PF 0.36/2.56, it can be written as 36/256। again we can solve these two numbers and 4 से हम इनको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। इट विल बी 9/64। सो PE/PQ is equal to PF/FR और is equal to 9/64। तो therefore by converse of BPT, EF is parallel to QR in triangle PQR. Done? Now question number 3. In figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Prove that AM/AB is equal to AN/AD. The figure for this question is given to you. Let us draw the figure. Let us start solution. Here LM is parallel to BC. Now find a triangle in which LM and BC are occurring and where we are able to apply BPT. Here we can take in triangle ABC, LM is parallel to BC. ये आपको क्या है गिवन। तो therefore by BPT means basic proportionality theorem, we get AM/AB. I am taking the ratio of part and full length because जो हमें प्रूव करना है उसके अकॉर्डिंग AL/AC. Similarly, in triangle ACD, LN is parallel to CD. This is also given to you. So we can write AN/AD, AN/AD is equal to AL/AC, meaning complete side. Now from equation 1 and 2, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. You can see in both of the equation AL/AC is same and we know things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore from equation 1 and 2 we get AM/AB is equal to AN/AD and यही आपको प्रूव करना था। Hence proved. Let us go to question number 4. Again in question number 4 the figure is given and you can see in figure DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE and you have to prove that BF/FE and BE is equal to BE/AC. First of all draw the figure. So this is our figure. You can also use different colors to highlight. Now we can easily recognize that there are two triangles in which the given sides are parallel and this is DF. In triangle ABE में देखो AE और DF are parallel, so we can apply BPT. And in triangle ABC DE and AC are parallel, so here again we can apply BPT. So what we have to do in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. This is given. So therefore BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. Similarly, in triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. Again this is given. Now write down the ratio. BD by DA is equal to BE by FE. Sorry, BF. BF by FE. Again from equation 1 and 2. This question is same as above question. Again BD by DA is same in both of the equations. So we can write BE by EC is equal to BF by FE. Hence proved. Let us start question number 5 of exercise 6.2. In question number 5, again the figure is given for you. DE is parallel to OQ. Here DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to QR. Sorry, OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. And कोई और थर्ड लाइन है उसको आपको पैरेलल प्रूव करना है. Let us draw the figure first of all. Let us start. In figure, students, you can see that in triangle OPQ, DE and OQ are parallel. So we can apply BPT. So PE by EQ will be equal to PD by DO. Similarly, in triangle POR, OR is parallel to DF. So we can apply BPT. Again we will get PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. But this one ratio is same in both of the equations. Again we will get PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So from triangle PQR we get that EF divides the sides PQ and PR in same ratio. So therefore by converse of BPT, EF will be parallel to QR. Let us start the proof now. In figure, in triangle OPQ, आपको given है OQ parallel to DE. So therefore by BPT we get PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Similarly, in triangle OPR, OR is parallel to FD. This is given. So therefore by BPT again we get PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now look at the figure with the given ratios. We get PE is equal to EQ and PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So therefore by converse of BPT, in triangle PQR we get EF parallel to QR और यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Hence proved. Let us move to question number 6. In question number 6, again the figure is given and read the question. In given figure, A, B, C are points on OP, OQ, OR. First of all, draw a triangle. PQR like this. PQR. And take a point O in interior of triangle PQR. Join OP, OQ and OR. This is point O. Now we have to mark point A, B and C on OP, OQ and OR such that AB is parallel to PQ. Meaning PQ के parallel आपको draw करना है and these two points are A and this point is B. Similarly, AC is parallel to PR. अगेन हमें लाइंस पैरेलल मिल रही हैं एंड ये ज्वाइन करेंगे आप तो BC एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट BC इज पैरेलल टू QR. BC को QR के पैरेलल शो करना है. तो अब जहाँ पर भी लाइंस पैरेलल गिवन है इन दोज ट्राइंगल्स वी कैन अप्लाई BPT. इन ट्राइंगल OPQ AB is parallel to PQ ये आपको गिवन है. So we can write OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Similarly in triangle OPR AC is parallel to PR. This is given to you. So we can write OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Again from equation 1 and 2 we will get that OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. And from triangle OQR we get that BC is parallel to QR. Question number 6 is mixture of above two questions. बेटा इसको करने के लिए हमें जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को यूज़ करना है वो हम ऑलरेडी अबव क्वेश्चंस में यूज़ कर चुके हैं. So we are going to start its proof. We get these two equations and in these two equations you can see that OA by AP is same in both of the equations. So from equation 1 and 2 we get OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now therefore from triangle OQR by converse of BPT we get, because BC divides the sides OQ and OR in same ratio, so therefore we get BC parallel to QR, hence proved. So this was the proof of question number 6. Thank you students. In our next class we will do our next questions.